Analytical thinking involves breaking down complex problems into smaller, more manageable components, identifying patterns and trends, and using logical reasoning to solve problems. These skills are critical for blockchain developers because they are important for tasks such as designing consensus algorithms, analyzing blockchain data to detect fraud and other anomalies, and optimizing the performance of blockchain networks. Analytical thinking skills are also important for identifying and addressing potential security vulnerabilities in blockchain applications. For example, developers may need to analyze blockchain data to identify potential attack vectors, evaluate the effectiveness of security measures, and develop strategies for mitigating security risks. In addition to technical skills, analytical thinking skills are also important for effective communication and collaboration with stakeholders, such as business analysts, project managers, and end users. Analytical thinking enables developers to clearly communicate complex technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders, and to identify and prioritize business requirements based on data analysis. Here are some specific applications of analytical thinking skills for blockchain developers in their daily work. Designing consensus algorithms. Consensus algorithms are a critical component of blockchain technology, and designing an effective algorithm requires careful analysis of data and an understanding of the trade-offs between different approaches. Analytical thinking skills are essential because developers need to evaluate the strengths and weaknesses of different consensus algorithms and make informed decisions. Analyzing blockchain data is another application of analytical thinking. Blockchain data can be complex and difficult to analyze, but is essential for identifying patterns and trends that can help developers optimize blockchain performance, detect fraud or other anomalies, and identify potential security vulnerabilities. Developers need to be able to break down complex data sets, identify relevant metrics, and analyze the data to identify patterns and trends. There's also developing strategies for mitigating security risks. Analytical thinking skills are essential for this task, as developers need to identify potential attack vectors, evaluate the effectiveness of different security measures, and develop strategies for mitigating risks based on that analysis. Finally, another application is to evaluate the overall effectiveness of blockchain applications. Once a blockchain application has been deployed, developers need to be able to evaluate its effectiveness and identify areas for improvement. Analytical thinking skills are essential for this task, as developers need to identify areas where the application is performing well and areas where it may be falling short.
In summary, analytical thinking skills are critical for blockchain developers in their daily work, enabling them to analyze complex data sets, identify patterns and trends, and make informed decisions that support the development of secure, efficient, and effective blockchain applications.